Well, mate comes from Guaraníes. Guaraníes were natives in the Mesopotamia of Argentina. And when Spaniards arrived here, they discovered they were drinking this very strong tea, but that also helped them to keep awake and work more. So Jesuits helped them to grow it in a more professional manner. But they were drinking it as a tea, so they were drinking and then just with the herbs. So it was a group of religious who helped them to develop the idea of the straw, that we call it bombilla, just so that it would be easier to drink from it. So it grew a lot in our culture, and we drink much more mate than coffee. What I like about it, it's definitively about to share, because coffee you drink it by yourself, and mate if you drink it alone, it can be too much because you drink one next to the other, or if you take too long between each mate, it gets cold. So to be good, you have to share it. We have a very famous writer called Borges, the most famous one, and he said that the Argentinian feeling is friendship. And I think it's true. We have a lot of people working from abroad that come to have the experience here for a year or so. And many of them, when they go back home, they say, like, well, I have to fix my friendships there. We are a country of immigrants, and we had to develop friendship to be able to keep going on and surviving in a country that there was nothing. But for sure, sharing, having friends, it's very, very important in the culture. It's funny because we would never share a glass, but we all share the same straw. It's funny, but that's the way we are.